What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be working on this 2021 Subaru WRX. So guys, in this video we're going to be replacing the turbo in this car with a factory OEM one, because the turbo went bad in this car and it has a lot of shaft play, and yeah, it just starts smoking a lot, so, and the car is acting weird. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the turbo. And this car basically is a full bolt-on, I think, except the intercooler. It got the IAG AOS, it got cab intake and exhaust, and it's tuned. Previously it was tuned on E40, I think, or E60, and now he's going back to 91. I'll show you guys how the car sounds and what it does. So guys, we got the turbo out, and this is how it looks under the car. So basically the turbo intercooler pipe is literally filled with oil, and as you guys seen, this thing is filled with oil too. Look at this. So, and the turbo has a lot of shaft play. It's kind of hard to show it on video. I'm gonna try to show you guys how much play. So this thing is when the car is cold, and once the car warms up, there will be like a lot of shaft play, as you guys can see. So turbo is bad. We have the new turbo right here. And there's absolutely no shaft play in this one. So we're gonna go ahead, slap the turbo on, and then we're gonna start it. But before that, we're gonna do oil change and spark plugs, so this engine can be fresh. So we have the new turbo right here and the old one right here. So we're gonna be transferring everything from here onto there. So whatever we take off from this turbo, like this line, goes back over there, just like that. That was a perfect startup. There was no popping, there was no banging. It was perfect, smooth, how it's supposed to be. So we just checked, there's no oil leaks or anything. So there's a lot of smoke because the exhaust is literally filled with oil, so it has to burn all of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it to a car wash. But first we gotta check the oil again, make sure everything is good. So we did oil change, new spark plugs, and of course the turbo. Alright guys, so I'm test driving the car right now. Make sure everything is good. I don't see any smoke behind us or anything, so that was a big problem back then, is there will be smoke everywhere in the back and the car will be like misfiring like crazy. So it's running really good. There's no lights on the dash. The only concerning thing is the AFR Learning 1. It would go negative 45, so I think that's a tune related, but yeah. My job is just to make sure there's no smoke in the back. So you see, as you guys see, negative 45. But the car rides really smooth. It gets into boost fine, so I'm really happy with it. It's just when you come to a stop, your AFR learner will go negative 45, so I know that's not normal because it shouldn't be that low. But he did go from E85 blend to 91, so my guess is there it is left. There's a E85 left in the tank. That's my guess. So I'm not really sure. We'll talk to the tuner and see what he says. Oh yeah, now it's gonna look clean. 3 more seconds. It should be clean enough. I mean, it's white paint, so white. Like they say, white make a right. Let's go somewhere so we can see how the car looks. Oh yeah, now it's looking so much better. But with all of that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys enjoy it, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.